Hello, all you beautiful people out there. Welcome back to Candyland. Today I have a breast cancer awareness inspired mix for you guys. This beautiful pink mix for you. And this video is a name that glitter game. So go down to the comment section. You guys know the drill. Give me a name. Just keep in mind it is breast cancer awareness inspired. So try to work with that. And also, if you haven't already, go to Instagram, check out the full details on the Halloween fall contest I've got going on right now. A lot of you guys have already started sharing and getting it around, so you guys come join. It's going to be a lot of fun. And I've also got some other things working for you guys. I'm working on another giveaway for Facebook, but I've also got another giveaway currently going on right now when we hit 2.5K on Instagram. So there's a lot going on in Candyland. Lots of giving going on. So go ahead and check that out. Please check the description box for any details that you might be looking for. And thank you guys so much for watching and all the support. Thank you guys so much. I love you all. See you later.